I've had a really sore neck recently and I accidentally just found this release. It's amazing. So if you are someone who has a sore neck as well, maybe you're constantly rolling your head, trying to find that stretch that you need, try this. You're gonna come to all fours and extend one leg out. Slightly turn yourself as if you were gonna come into a modified plank. Let your head drop down. This hand doesn't need to fully release off, but slightly turn your shoulder up to the ceiling. Keep your head heavy and take a couple of breaths here. Now you don't want to force it. At this point you might get a releasing pop, you might not. I wish I caught my neck pop on camera, but I didn't. I really hope this helps you, and let me know in the comments how you get on.